Hi there, it's George here, and today I will show you a beautiful lemon tree in blooming for the first time, and decided to make video special. So this lemon tree, it is from cuttings and was gifted to me from Romania, a friend, and so happy that now this is in bloom and the sales video special. And I have to show you the blooms close up. They are so aromatic and smells good, and hope they will turn into the lemon fruits, and we will see just. But so happy I am that blooming this lemon tree for the first time. And as you can see, I moved the lemon tree outside, and if the nights are cold, I move inside during the night. But the day it's okay, it's spring now, and so looking. The flowers also are so big and beautiful, and I will have to show you close up. At this lemon tree, it have at the moment 3 flowers. They are just amazing, and I'm waiting for bees to pollinate the flowers, and looking forward to fruit. Then in the summer we'll see how it will grow, and I do not know the variety, but look at the spike, how long is it? The stem to the flower is about 2 centimeters. Interesting variety. So just we'll find out when the fruits will grow. It is impressively blooming. I didn't even expect to bloom this year. I'm so happy that blooming for me, and it is a surprise. As I can notice, one flower already ends and one is going to open. And here we notice flower number 3, which blooming the first and already ends. But it's okay, and will be fruit soon. And the flower buds started to grow since January, and now we are in April, and now it is a very beautiful bloom, this lemon tree. And it has some new leaves that growing on the top here. It means this branch continue to grow and will produce flowers in the future too. A while ago I did made a video how I prune a lemon tree by cuttings, and I will let the link in description. Someone asked me if we did prune a lemon tree from cutting that had fruit, we will have to graft it. Well, my answer is no. As you can see, the flowers, I didn't grafted it. This lemon tree was pruning by a lemon tree with head fruits, and no need grafting. And as you can see, there are new beautiful lush leaves that grow on another branch, and for sure in the future will produce blooms, but we will see. And so looking on the leaves, this lemon tree, it's very beautiful with its branches, and the potting soil is very good too. I added a layer of potting soil to have nutrients. When the potting soil sit, I add just every time. As well, I put a wooden support to keep the future fruits, and we will see just everything will be fine. I hope you enjoyed the blooms on my lemon tree, and just will see update in the next a few months. Just have to waiting for the fruits. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I posting new videos. As well, you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. See you. Bye bye.